right, today I've got a special Amazon book unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned. I'm super excited to share these books with you. The first book I've got here is Seeking Allah and Finding Jesus. Now, this book is about a devout Muslim who encounters Christianity. This is going to be part of my history readers selection for my 9th grader next year, for him to be able to pick up and read and write a book report on. The next book I got is the Bergus Bird book for children. I have heard, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It might be, let me know if I'm pronouncing that right or not in the comments, but it is so fun. I've only read a little bit of it, but it's like telling the story and the life of the birds through their perspective. And it's just seems like so captivating. And I think my kiddos are going to love it. We're actually going to be doing this as a read aloud for next year. Next book I got is Sir Lancelot The Great. Now, this came recommended by a friend of mine, Ryan, and she just talked about how funny it was and how much her kiddos enjoyed it. And this is just going to be a fun, quick read aloud for us that goes right along with our medieval history that we're doing next year. Next book I got is C.S. Lewis, The Screwtape Letters. Now, this book, my son is going to be doing Redefining School's high school C.S. Lewis course that she's doing. And they're going to be going through different C.S. Lewis books, The Great Divorce, The Screwtape Letters, and what's the other one? The Great Divorce, The Screwtape Letters, and Mere Christianity, as well as a C.S. Lewis pick of their own. And so this is a classic. I'm excited to read it myself for the first time. I like to read these fun books right alongside him and learn with him. Next book I got is the classic King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table. We are going to be doing this as a read aloud for next year to go along with our medieval history. Super excited. It's one thing when you watch the movie, it's another thing when you read the book. So this is going to be gold, especially in my home full of boys and swords and all the things. We're gonna really bring this to life and do all the fun things. The next book I got is Roald Dahl Matilda. I'm so excited about this. Matilda is actually my favorite movie, and I've never read the book. What are we even talking about? So I'm going to be reading the book as a read aloud alongside my kiddos next year. Our read alouds for next year is a mixture of just a lot of fun books as well as a lot of deep history books. And I feel like that would be a great combination. Usually in the past, we just do straight deep history books. And so I'm trying to introduce a lot of fun, different books as well as deep history books. I'm considering doing a monthly what's in our morning basket, what we read the previous month and how we liked it and different things like that. Let me know in the comments if that would be something that would interest you. And I'll definitely put in the rotation of a video that I do. But I'm super excited to really have a strong read aloud year. I feel like with a newborn, read alouds is just a great way for us to still get in education while navigating the newborn years. We can sit down, cuddle up and read while I'm breastfeeding or holding a baby. So the next book I got, guys, I am so excited about this one. It is beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. I got The Hobbit by J.R. Tolkien, but it has this soft, I don't know, that howling is my toddler because he's a wolf today, but it's got this soft cloth cover and it's just gold etched. It's just gorgeous, okay? Now, The Hobbit is a classic in and of itself, but we've actually never read it. So I'm super excited to read it in a way that there's even fun little pictures in here just to help break it apart a little bit better for my kiddos and bring it to life. I am super excited about reading it and then actually watching the movie as a family. If you found this video interesting, definitely check out this next one and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.